Please be sure to support the video we reacted to today by clicking the link at the top. Enjoy the show. Let's go. 2 months behind. Let's go. That's perfect. Please, everyone, as always, go like, comment, and subscribe to Unusual Means for delivering us some amazing content, my dudes. Play! Alright, yeah, alright, we're good. Sorry, just checking the time. We're totally fine. We got plenty of time. We're good. I feel like you're doing more work than less work on that one. Again, just to save, you're just doing more work!
Yes.
Now you gotta clean up the freaking... That was a lot more violent than I thought it would be.
Why would you wave like that?
You're embarrassing me! What frick was that? What was that? What is that? Let's go! Ow! Bro, when your niece said she wanted fairies at her party, let's freaking go! You gotta get all the boys! Don't do that. Oh, the poor chicken! It was having such a nice nap, too! I don't know what you thought you were gonna do there. That was not enough room for you to breakdance. Oh, you're gonna grow up with a cool mom, kid. That's awesome.
Fuck you, and you turn sideways. It doesn't even.
What is that? It's like a duckbill. I'm coming for you. You better run.
Oh my gosh, we don't have any non-fat milk.
Oh no. Bro, I wish I had the kind of energy that these, like, stereotypical flamboyant... like, the stereotype of a flamboyant person. I would love that kind of energy, dude. Like Margaret from frickin' Muscle, freaking love it. Let's go, boys! The burglary's in! Take everything that's not nailed down! Oh! I thought that it was gonna do a wheelie! I don't always get the weighty... the weighty... I don't always get the ladies I don't always get the ladies wet, but when I do... Ah! Bro, that's me though, every time.
Hard hat.
Hard hat! Get shoved! Bro, wasn't that such a thing, though? For some reason, there was a thing back when I was in middle school where you would just very violently shove a friend into the most, like, just a bad situation. Bro identifies as an aquarium. Bro has a fish in there! What? What, you ain't never had an aquarium before? Aquarium head? It's a fishbowl. They call it the fishbowl haircut. So you have the bowl haircut, then you have the fishbowl haircut.
Cereal in the car without making such a mess. Introducing the Crunch Cup. Now you can take your milk and cereal on the go.
Jumper for the first time
Bro, that isekai right there. Wow, the wind, you know what? Nature wanted that one. You don't get to have that one. The wind took it. What is WTAF? What's the A? What the anal fudge? I mean, it landed. Uh-oh. Bro, I freaking hate that! What do you mean?
Badder than, bad from me born. Where you
Get him!
from?
What you think? I live on Urban Dictionary? Get out of here. Bro, that's those spine issues. Good lord.
Oh, he just ran through my crib. Hey, go get him.
Like, go get him! I love it. Shots fired, officer down! Sounds like bombs are being dropped.
Why is there a pig here, Gabe?
Mate, well, it's a side quest. As you can tell, Hammy has arrived. Hello, darling. What
Hammy!
would you like us to do today?
It's a side quest, I love it. Bro! I can't, not even gonna lie to you. I don't know why, but back when I used to, the house I lived to previously before this, I freaking had a lot of very ghetto neighbors, a lot of Mexican neighbors, and so I constantly would have roosters and pigs showing up at my property, like big old boys. It was awesome, I loved it. The wind keeps getting their victims, bro. You gotta watch out for that wind, bro. Gotta watch out for that wind.
Дальше, кухня нахуй. Та же хуйня, блядь. Пять, блядь, у каждого свой
Bro,
смеситель.
you gotta fire a plumber, an electrician, you gotta fire someone. I don't know what's happening here.
Тут, блядь, вот. Основной.
I don't understand. What the freak? Looks like a jungle gym.
Doesn't make a difference what I crack it with, motherfucker. I'll crack it with your big fucking black head.
Don't question my techniques here.
No.
Okay. Nice.
Le pouvoir
Thanks for saving my trash.
de... Attends. Bismillah.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Oh, I wish, but my freaking thing is like right above my monitor. I would absolutely break my monitor, I guarantee it. That thing looks complicated, bro. That thing was like a freak. Well, I think it'd be more difficult to figure out how to turn that thing off than finding a G-spot, which doesn't exist, right? Let's be honest. Oh!
I think I love tacos more than anything. Even Tom.
Welcome. Even Tom?
Yeah, even Tom. Wow.
Wow. Freaking get freaking wrecked, Tom. Tacos beat you, bro. Bro, isn't that just a freaking truth, though? Tacos are life, bro. Tacos are everything. That trick shot is crazy. Oh, the one with the dude with the leg, I know.
Ayoo.
Oh, that's a foul! That's an absolute foul, bro! Red card him, get him out of here! Bro snapped his neck too, ow! Too hot. It was a little bit too hot, just a little bit, just a smidge, like 1 Celsius too high. Quack, quack! I said quack!
Egg.
Hey, bro, what did you feed that duck?
Oh, egg, yeah. Go for the egg.
That's a bad diarrhea.
I went to cheers there, bro.
Okay. Not bad, bro. You ordered the racing chimp, right? I'm your co-pilot. Let's go. Bro's got a real Hey, no, that's the freaking party, my boy. Wait, why is my hospital room never that freaking filled? Whenever I end up in the hospital, no one visits. Or says hi, or writes me, or calls.
And the slip-on Tim's. Open toe.
With a card, bro, that's sick though. Hey, bro, the only reason you're not living that life is because you're not living it, bro. That's the only reason.
What's up, man?
Oh, freak.
Yo, man. What's up, man?
What's up? Y'all niggas already know I'm out here.
Oh, was that inside your house? Where did you press that motorcycle out of?
What's up? Y'all niggas already know I'm out here.
Now that's a good cooler. Now that's a good cooler. It even comes with it. Even makes a handle for you.
Let me see that coat, kid.
Hey, bro, that thing was warm. Bro, like really sutured up his jacket. Ah! Bro, that seems like it'd be so painful. Oh, I feel that. Oh, look how cute this is. That's the cute, bro. The endings on Unusual is always just the absolute freaking best. I love it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitch. Live reactions every Friday, so swing by.